Hi everyone, I'm just going to give you a quick instruction on how you can use the CIA World Factbook to find out the sectors of the economy in different countries. So I've given you the link to this website, and then if you click here where it says please select a country to view, it'll come with a menu of all of the countries they have information on. So I'm going to choose a country that I think has got a high tertiary sector and a low primary sector, which is Hong Kong. So I'm going to, in this box, I'm going to type in Hong Kong and I'm going to click on here. Now this will present a whole load of information about Hong Kong, and I'm just going to scroll down here and see the different categories that we've got. I'm specifically interested in economics as we are economists, so I'm going to click on economy here. Now there's lots of information, you can feel free to read through this at your leisure, but what I'm looking for is the sectors of the economy. So this is the GDP. So this is like the total production in these different sectors in Hong Kong, and this is an estimate from a couple of years ago, but it'll be fine. So as we can see, agriculture is 0.1%, industry is 7.6%, and services 92.3%. So I'm going to go back to the document that you're going to fill in, and I've transferred that data into here, so 0.1, 7.6 and 92.3. Now your task is to find 6 other countries that you think would have different levels of primary, secondary and tertiary, look them up on the World Factbook and enter your data into this table here. Okay, thank you.